In primetime news this evening, Clifton demolition on pause.
17-year-old Kingston Technical High School female student charged with fatal stabbing of schoolmate returns to court on November 9.
And later, double murder in Flanker St. James. Victims' mothers speak out. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Thank you, Janella. Now, the government is looking to increase the number of tax offices across the island. I'll tell you more later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. We go to Jordan, who has a preview of what's coming in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, there are more questions than answers for the West Indies after their latest T20 series defeat to Australia today as they prepare for the World Cup in just over a week's time. I'll give you the details later on in Primetime Sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what steps can be implemented to prevent squatters from occupying vacant lands?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.